your question is find the equation after transformation. What they have given, see that y is equal to 3x square after sketch parallel to y axis with sketch factor 2. Just understand all these things, how it will be. So you can see we have two axes, that is x and y axis in your coordinates. So suppose this is your coordinate. This is your x axis and this is your y axis. Now, whenever they will tell you parallel to y axis, that means suppose you draw a line parallel here or here. So what happened? You can see at every point of instance what happened? X is constant and y is variable. So for this we can say x is constant and y is variable. But if you draw a line parallel to x axis, what happened? Your x is varying and y is constant. So here we can say y is constant and x is varying. Here also varying, not variable, varying. Now, see that what they have given in the first question. Y is equal to 3x square after sketch parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis means what? X is constant and y is varying with the sketch factor 2. They have told sketch factor is 2. So whatever is varying, we have to take it that. So sketch factor means what? Amplification of that. Amplification of that. What? Which is varying, we have to amplify that. That means you can see they have given sketch factor 2 and we know that parallel to y means y is varying. Y is varying. Therefore, we will multiply y with 2. So what happened? You can see 2y. If you write 2y here, it will be 2 into 3x square. So here you will get what? Y is equal to 2 into 3x square. That is equal to, we can say, is 6x square. So this is your equation now. Same thing here. Y is equal to x cube minus 1 after sketch parallel to y, again y axis, that means y is varying with the sketch factor, that means amplification factor of 3. So here what you will get? 3y, that is equal to, we can say now y is what? 3 into x cube minus 1. That is equal to, we can say, it's 3x cube minus 3. Now, comes to third one. What it will be? Y is equal to 2x plus 4. After sketch parallel to y axis with the sketch factor half. That means what we have to do? Just divided by 2. What it will be? See that? They have given y axis, that means y is varying. So here what you will get? 2x by 2 plus 4 by 2. That is equal to, we can say, 2 if you bring upside, it will become a 2 to the power of minus 1. So here it will be 2x minus 1 plus 2. 4 by 2 is 2. Now, comes to your next one. What they have given? Y is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 10. after the sketch parallel to x-axis with the sketch factor 2. So we know that in x-axis what happened, it will be amplification should be 1 by a only. So we will get what 1 by a is equal to, they have given 2. So if you cross multiply, you will get 1 is equal to 2a. So what is your a? A is 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. So now how we will write this? What we have to do, only you have to divide this 2 by x only. Only wherever x is there, we have to divide it by 2. So you can see x is here and x is here. How we will write? So just we will do like this. Here it is x square. That means what? X by 2 whole square. X by 2 whole square. Minus 8x. Minus 8 into x by 2. Plus 10. That is equal to, we can say now, 2x square by 4. 2x square by 4. And here minus 8x by 2. Minus 8x by 2 plus 10. Now we will cut it. 2 and 4, that means 2 times. And here 2 and 8, that means 4 times. So here you will get x square by 2. X square by 2. And here you will get minus 4x. And here plus 10. So this is your answer now. Next question, see that what they have given. Y is equal to 6x cube minus 36x after sketch factor parallel to x-axis. We know that in x-axis what happened? X is varying. With the sketch factor 1 by 3. So if you write 1 by a is equal to 1 by 3. Now if you go for cross multiplication, you will get a is equal to 3. Now, in place of x, what we will write? 3x. 3 and x. So here what you will get, see this? 6 into 3x and cube minus 36 into x is 3x. Therefore, what you will get? 6 into 3 cube is 27 x cube. Minus 36 into 3. So what it will be? 8, 18, 108x. Now multiply this. What you will get? 6 7s are 42, 4, 12 plus 4 is 60. 162 x cube minus 108x. So this is your answer now. So likewise we have to do this.